he's going. Holy shit.
Oh!
Bam.
Car!
Oh, he's missing a tire, so he ain't gonna go far.
He's running.
No.
No, that's the cop. That's the cop. Yeah, he's trying to run away.
Oh, he hit a cop.
Oh, shit!
Holy shit. This guy's hardcore. This is like Cops TV. All going now. Mississauga, here, Ontario, Burhanthorpe. View from Absolute Towers. You can see the sparks going off of his car. Whoa! Holy! I think they got him.
He's gonna run! He's gonna run!
He's getting out.
He's getting Holy fuck!
This is crazy. Cops are coming in.
О, нифига себе.
А, менты за ним гнались.
Да.
Ай, придурок вообще. Слушай, это знаешь...
Это нам как бы повезло.
Да, я говорю, ладно, хоть не в нас летел, идиот, блядь. Тупорылый.
Погоди, давай. Что это посмотрим?
Вы-то куда несетесь, придурки? Стоите там и стойте дальше, блядь. Ну, идиоты.
Тихо, проезжай.
А, или... Не,
Он там живой какой?
Sorry, I'm now Tottington towards Walsall. They've got out and attacked my vehicle, CK. They've got out and attacked me. Stand by. I need assistance. They've attacked me and my vehicle. Stand by. 66 miles an hour on Turton Road. It's a National Speed Limit road. And it's going to come out at the India Gate restaurant on the top road that goes between Bradshaw and Ramsbottom. These males are armed, the mindful males are armed, and they do have at least axes and hammers with them. Roger, get it to Harwood Road near Four-Way Ends at the top of Roadingbrook Road. On the good route out with this stop the South Road from Bradshaw Road. First of all, a big distance from it's approaching for we got him. Back off.
He's gonna go. Nope, he's staying on the 10. Staying on the eastbound 10. He's in the Grand Avenue exit. Alright, still tracking eastbound 10. He's getting back. Which way's he going? Alright, still going for the Grand exit. He can get back onto the 10, or he can get off Grand. I think he's getting off Grand. Alright, he's getting off at Grand. Okay, coming to the bottom of the ramp here, Grand. Through the red. Using the left side. Okay. Oh, 18th. Oh, just TC'd right at 18th. 18th and Hill. Terminated 18th and Hill.
Levanta a mão, levanta a mão, levanta a mão, levanta a mão.
Yeah, we've been over this thing for at least 20 minutes ourselves, and they've gone all over West Baltimore. They are now southbound on Reisterstown Road. As we watch this, I'm going to try to call out the roads as best I can. Now, you can see there's damage to the vehicle. Right now, 9 police cars at least following directly behind this car, and just about every intersection he comes to, there's at least one cop car waiting for him. They have not been able to stop him at all. He's gone through some fields, he's crossed over, gone the wrong way, he's gone through traffic lights. We've seen him come very close to hitting some other vehicles and hitting some people, some pedestrians. So you see parts of the car falling off. Now, when this car makes a turn, seems to lose a little bit of traction, so we're thinking that maybe the tires are either worn out or he may even have a tire that's about to blow. But he's continuing southbound on Reisterstown Road and coming up on the Mondawmin area. So got a busy intersection right ahead of him. He's probably going to move off to the right and go around this. Looks like there is an open lane, and that'll take us right down to Pennsylvania Avenue. And once he gets up Pennsylvania Avenue, we'll have to see where he's heading. But again, this suspect wanted for a shooting. Police are chasing this vehicle through West Baltimore. They've gone as far down as Franklin. Looks like they, we're going to hold on a second. Looks like we may have a stop here. We think there's another person in that vehicle. So there was 2 people in the vehicle. One was taken out. That person is in custody on the middle of the street.
Somebody was carjacked and that car was stolen on this. And yeah, we're seeing more and more of the sparks and the smoke, which would show us that that car will lose any maneuverability pretty soon.
We know St. Louis City Police are involved in this heavily. We're not sure which other jurisdictions, but St. Louis City Police. Now, he just hit a car and went up on the side. That looked like hit a white car. Police are coming out and they're taking him into custody.
And that was fast. They were right there on him to get the suspect out on the ground right now, ending this, what has been at least 55 minutes now of pursuit back and forth from both sides.